went to a supercar meet. And then fucking broken in 3.
Oh my. At least you'll be louder than them.
This food made me park next to all kinds of Ferraris.
It's a supercar meet, brother.
Okay.
Yeah, we got the best supercar here. Oh, so you're not the only Beamer? Look at F80, same color. He's gonna come park with you.
He's for sure thinking the same thing. Imagine me if he's at F80.
I'm not parking by the supercars. What's up, guys? You watch another video. We are back in LA. We're back in Cali. Hawaii was lit. I'm kind of sad that we're not there no more, but we got to get back to work, start making the vlogs again, guys, because I took like a whole week off and I feel like I'm slacking. But we back at a car meet already. Tonight there's a big supercar cruise, as you guys can see. All the supercars are meeting up. We got McLarens, Ferraris, SVJ over there. Another Ferrari. In this corner, there's a bunch of other supercars. I see a Huracan R8, Hellcat, Ferrari over there, Urus, and then an E92 M3. The fastest car here. They might go on a cruise. I don't know what they're gonna do, but we're gonna try to keep up in the E92, hopefully. I hope you guys enjoyed those Hawaii vlogs. If you guys haven't even seen them, go check them out right now. Not many cars in those vlogs, but it was more of like a lifestyle vlog. So if you guys did watch those videos, thank you. And if you guys haven't, go watch those videos right now. The Hawaii videos are pretty lit. But anyways, we are back to the normal content that you guys are used to.
Down right now that he doesn't want to drive.
Oh yeah, I didn't even mention that.
So
yeah, I didn't even mention that, guys. My GTR is probably worse than I thought, guys. Before it was just a light, then I cleared the codes, the lights went off, and it was driving normal again. But today I took it out for a drive because I missed driving that car so much after the Hawaii trip, after being gone for like a week. I was driving the GTR this morning and all of a sudden, like, I heard like a grinding noise in like 4th gear. Maybe from the transmission, I don't know. So honestly, I'm not gonna drive the car at all until I take it to my friend's shop. I think we're dropping it off on Friday, so stay tuned. Friday we're gonna ship the car to the shop, and hopefully you can tell me what's really wrong with the car and get it fixed ASAP so we can start driving it again, because I miss my GTR, bro.
Hopefully you don't need a new transmission,
and hopefully it's not expensive, dude. That's what I'm really hoping for, because I'm gonna cry, guys. If I need a new transmission, the F80 dreams are gonna be out the window. Damn. Also tomorrow I might go look at an F80 new car,
new carrito.
and if all goes well, maybe I'll buy the F80 this week too, unless I get bad news that I need a GTR transmission. The F80 might need to be pushed back, brother. Because a transmission is like half the price of an F80. Not really, but still, it's a lot of money to fix a transmission. So
Silverstone.
I know, that's crazy. Both the same colors, huh? I want an F80 so bad. A lot of stuff happening this week. Take the GTR to the shop on Friday, and also go look at the new car tomorrow, hopefully. And if all goes well, maybe we'll buy an F80 this week. Finally, the time will come. And this one, guys, is not even the spec that I really want, but it'll do. It has the carbon roof, it's stick shift, and that's the most important. But it doesn't have red interior.
Crazy that all these F80s, everybody's getting F80s.
I know, honestly, me and people are talking.
And I'm telling Nick, I honestly think that we're setting the trend of buying F80s, because we just mention it every fucking video.
I know, I think I mentioned it so much.
F80.
I need a check from BMW, bro. What's my sponsorship check, guys?
Oh, look at those Urus, bro.
Yeah, I feel like I'm hyping up the F80 so much. That's why there's none for sale anymore. Because all you guys are probably buying them before I could. But yeah, look, a bunch of Urus pulled up. Damn. That red one's fire, bro. That's the perfect red. Sheesh, Jake. G82, guys, M4. McLaren.
Bro, that feels like 18 right, bro.
16.
What the?
Dang, fucking extended the Beamer. Yeah, as you guys can see though, there's a lot of supercars here already. Let's go check them out. Yeah, look, here's the center exit exhaust, guys. The $9,000 option. The center exit exhaust. Would you guys pay $9 grand for that exhaust? Comment down below right now. Let me know. It looks cool. It's very different. Not that many G80s have it, but for $9 grand, I don't know. So there's 1, 2, 3 Uruses, guys. I'm taking the red one though. Urus is like a dream car too, for sure. Like the dream daily. Man, look at this red, guys. Oh my god, it has the white interior. Red on white. That's pretty sick. I think this is a new one though. Look at the hoods. I think they are. But it definitely doesn't look like the older Uruses. You can tell it has way more aero. Both of them. Definitely a dream car, guys. You have all the homies in here. And still be fast.
Bro, look at those brakes.
I know. Honestly, the Urus have like the biggest brakes ever, dude.
Yes, Marina F80.
A lot of people don't really mod F80s. So that's what I was telling David the other day. Like Davis looks hella modified.
Yeah, Davis looks so
And
shit.
everyone really just runs stock wheels on theirs. That's why I can't wait to get mine, guys. It's gonna be sick. R8, Huracan.
Sick, the color of it.
I know that freaking R8 is sick,
Like
dude.
khaki green.
The hood, the wing, everything on that car is literally perfect. What do you guys think? R8 or Huracan, guys? Hellcat? We actually raced this guy in one of my vlogs a while back, but he wrapped it satin black. See, he went from gloss black to satin black, so I'm not the only one trying to do it. I was always iffy about doing gloss black to satin black because it's kind of black to black, but it does look good. It looks way better than gloss black. Of course, he has the big old tire on it. So sick. I love Hellcats, to be honest, guys. After driving my homie once, definitely a car that I want to get in the future, 100%. AMG Andy, right here. AMG Andy, right here. Shout out to AMG Andy. Another years, bro. That means it's 4 or 5 years this year. God damn. They just giving out Urises nowadays or what? Oh my god. But my favorite car here, guys, 100% SVJ.
I don't even know about Ferraris like that, bro.
But I think it's 488.
488?
I think that's F8. I think it's the F8.
They got letters on them.
They debadged it or what?
488, brother.
That's a 458. That's a 488.
Yeah, 458, 488.
About 100,000? What's the song go? What's the difference between 458 and 488?
About 100,000.
McLaren reminds me of Sammy's, except Sammy wrapped his car a new color, guys. We'll show it in a future vlog, but Sammy's car used to be this color, I believe. And then Porsche GT3, hard. But yeah, you guys all know, saving the best for last. My favorite freaking car here, my favorite freaking car on the planet, bro. Literally my dream car, dude. SVJ is here. It just looks way crazier than any other car here. Look at that. Look at the wing, the arrow, all that stuff.
Imagine the sound of the car.
I know. It's literally the sickest car, bro. I could literally sit here and just look at it. Student driver? Oh, hell
I
no.
didn't even notice that shit. How wide the ar is, how low it is.
The shit's sick,
Crazy,
on.
and it's nothing done to it, honestly.
Yeah, it's just stock. I mean, there's nothing to do, huh? Just put wheels.
Yeah.
It's a Urus meet for
Bro,
sure.
it's a Urus meet.
There's more Urus this year than any other car.
And look, everybody looking at my car all
Ah, some G82s though. This shit is fire. I think they put a satin PPF
Yeah, that's
on top of that green paint that they make.
Yeah, the satin PPF looks nice.
Yeah, because that's an OEM color, but I don't think they come satin. He had to have PPF there. Look how crazy the difference between your car and this. It looks like a futuristic E92, like honestly. If you really look at the stuff.
I can't make my car sound like this cool, bro.
I swear. No, but like it's crazy how BMW kept like some of the characteristics. The grills are obviously way bigger, but you can tell it's literally like a futuristic E92 M3. Pretty much.
No.
I wonder if he's selling this. He's selling it, boss? Is it stick shift though? I'm only getting a stick shift one, guys. I'm not gonna buy a DCT F80 at all. I won't do it. Even if it was free. Bro, that red is sick because it's like a candy red, but this is a hard ass red, bro.
Hard ass?
Bro, there was an F80 this color. Remember? Guys, there was an F80. Someone on Instagram.
selling it? I was texting you about it.
Bro, I think he sold it, guys. So someone on Instagram messaged me like the day before I left to Hawaii, and he's like, "Yo, I'm selling an F80 if you want it." It was red, literally like the perfect FindingNick spec. Yeah, it was Melbourne red F80.
Yeah,
so I think those are pretty rare. I'm not gonna lie, because I haven't seen many in person. For sale, stick shift, had black interior, but still like everything that I wanted. But then I had to leave to Hawaii, and I guess while I was in Hawaii, someone came and bought the car. I'm so sad, bro.
It was sick.
I told him hold it for me, dude, but I think he sold it to someone else, guys. But have you seen these? They have bucket seats in the back. 5CS, I think. Look at the back seats, guys. Bucket seats in the back, bro. I think it's like a $200,000 car. That's insane, bro. I'm pretty sure, right? I don't know. Comment down below. How much are these cars, guys? M5CS. Bucket seats in all four. Look at that. It's just like hella fast, though.
M5 though?
Yeah, 200. Even one over 150. I don't know.
For a Beamer?
I'm pretty sure it's close to 200 for that.
And they are fast.
200K though.
But for 200K, brother, you send me an R8.
I know. You know, you can get an R8 and twin turbo with that.
Yeah.
Damn, bro, it's just twin turbo, I think. What the heck? It is. I didn't even know that. That's crazy. Is it? But it's right here, you know, the E92, guys. It is, bro. See? I knew it. There's another E92, guys. Hugo's not the only one. E90. You never really see those, huh? This thing's hella nice, guys. Look at the BBSs on here. He said they came off of an M2, so they're like M2 specs, but They fit it perfect. He's trying to sell them, Hugo. You should buy them. Some BBSs. I wonder how much they are.
Probably wants to say like 6K, brother, 5K.
Probably. I like this style though. This thing is sick, bro. I can't get over this thing though. It's insane, bro. Look at the seats. Carbon buckets with little bucket seats in the back. Isn't that sick? You guys hear this Evo? What the? That sounds crazy. I bet you it's fast. Sounds like it's like misfiring or something. I don't know. It sounds crazy, bro. Those are so sick.
Sounds like it automatically wants a two-step, huh?
I know, it sounds like it's ready a two-step. I feel like he does, dude. I think I've seen it in a car before. I was like, I gotta come look at this Ferrari. Bro, I'm pretty sure it's the same color as my E92. The same exact wrap, I believe. I missed this color, guys. I actually was debating on doing this on the GTR, like bringing it back, but on the GTR this time. What do you guys think? Should we go something loud like this, or should we do the satin black? I still want to wrap it, but obviously I need to fix the stupid transmission issue first. The plan was, guys, I was supposed to drop it off to get wrapped while we went to Hawaii. So as soon as we land from Hawaii, the car would have already been done being wrapped. But then I got that stupid transmission issue, and that's what kind of held off everything. But yeah, Friday, guys, the GTR is gonna get looked at, and hopefully it's nothing too serious. Everyone go pray in the comments, because I'm scared, guys. I do not want to come out of pocket a lot of money. Everything on the GTR that breaks is expensive, bro. If I need a full transmission, I think you're looking at like $10,000 or something like that, bro. That's worst case scenario. So hopefully that's not gonna happen. I hope. Brother, your lips flopped. There's no way it's that bad. You know how many lips are broke?
This is my first one.
I know. I can't believe your shit lasted that long. That's good, brother. I went through like 8 lips. You know that? 8, bro. Let's just do the math real quick.
This one lasted 2 years. That's 1,600, brother.
8 lips times. How much was it each? I put like 400, 500. I think like 500.
That's $4,000.
On lips. That's how much I spent on my 92. Damn, that's crazy, bro. That's ridiculous. I think I did go through like 8. Maybe 7. I don't know. I went through a lot of lips. For you to only break only 1?
What is that, bro?
I don't know. Here's something popping.
Sounds like a matralleta.
What the fuck is that? Matralleta?
But it was just
what is that?
drive-bys. Over here think it's a car.
What is that, bro? Something's burbling or something. I don't know.
It's not burbling, bro. I'm telling you.
Bro, what is that? Imagine someone really is shooting up the mall right now? And we think it's a car? What is that, bro? I want to know what cars make that noise. Is that? It's a Urus. Everyone's tripping, I think. It was the Urus, bro. It literally sounds like gunshots. Oh, this is the best one here, though. This is the best one, 100%.
Wide body.
God damn, wide body, and it's black, and it has the freaking burble tune. Bro, this shit is the hardest one here. 100%. Wide body Urus. Damn. What do you guys think of the Urus, guys? You guys like it? Look at my water bottle, guys. I'm trying to drink this all today. Like,
you're already behind.
oh my.
9 p.m.
Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see, but there's like times on it. So by 9 p.m. I should be already almost done, which is right now. And look, I'm barely at 11 a.m., brother. I'm trying to drink more water, guys. Be more healthy. These guys are like, what the? God damn. You might have the loudest car here. You might have the loudest car here, brother.
I think so.
And fastest. What is the fastest one here? I wonder. Twin Turbo R8 maybe?
Yeah.
Probably that.
Probably faster than the SVJ.
For sure, I think, yeah. 20 minutes away. We'll be there at 11:11. God damn, that's the Urus. But Hellcats are sick.
Hey.
Better go hard go this year tryouts.
Oh, those fucking purples are nice.
I know. What the fuck is that?
Subaru behind me.
That was rude or what?
Yes.
Damn.
Alright, guys. We're actually going on a cruise.
Dude, I don't like being in the passenger, guys. That shit is scary.
My car's slow, bro.
It's fine. We got a lot of people behind us. Wait. They said there's a helicopter somewhere, guys. Where? The police are onto us, brother. Ah, is that a cop? We got like 4 stars right now. Oh my god, a freaking bike, bro. I always say these bikes are crazy. I would not cruise on one of these on a motorcycle, guys. With all these cars.
Hey, another bike.
E92! That's the E90 on.
That sounds so sick, bro.
But if it was an IPE exhaust, that shit's like $6,000. Trying to race you, bro. Oh my god, he ain't too loud. Does he not see the cop? See the cop, guys. Nothing to see here, sir. I know he's for sure calling back up. Bro, I hate being passenger, bro. I don't like it.
Hellcat was trying to race, bro. I think because they hear how loud the car is.
The Hellcat is not.
Bro, I was trying to race.
The Hellcat wants to race, you go so bad.
He's tripping, bro. It's because he sees it with the camera, too.
You see me filming? That's a Hellcat trying to pull you.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams